Nakatanggap ako ng bulaklak, dinala ng aking mga friend. Itong bulaklak guys, dala ng aking friend kanina na magkapatid. Nagpunta si Diding at saka si Bing dito kanina guys. Tapos dinalhan nila ako ng flower kasi Valentine's Day daw. Kahapon ang Valentine's Day. So, Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day, guys! Still Valentine's Day. Every day is Valentine's Day. Tapos, dinalhan pa ako ng carrot bread. Wala na. Naubos na namin kanina. Saglit lang sila kanina, guys. Umuwi na agad. May picture naman ako, so isama ko yung picture. Next time, mag-vlog ako na kasama sila. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Ding and Bing, sa bulaklak. Thank you sa pag-visit. And see you next time. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.